The school day is over, but the work isn't. Students are stuck, moving between platforms without real progress. Teachers are overwhelmed, using tools that don't support how they actually teach. Administrators are trying to increase engagement, but managing a system that doesn't connect. So we built something different, a system that brings it all together. Puef.ai, an AI-powered test prep system that understands each student, supports every teacher, and gives every school the clarity to improve. No more guessing, no wasted time, no complexity. Real questions, step-by-step hints, real exams, official standards, and as students practice, teachers see more than scores. They see who needs help, and they save time with automatic scoring aligned with teacher-student engagement. Because schools don't need more tools, they need clarity. One platform for students, teachers, and leaders. One connected system. Administrators can see progress, engagement, and performance in one clear place. But Puef.ai goes beyond practice. It rewards the progress, not just top performers. We engage everyone. Every student earns. Every effort counts. No one is left behind. And we build alongside the schools we serve. We listen, we adjust, we improve. Students engage, teachers respond. Leaders see the difference. Puef.ai, progress, support, clarity.